Hi FHPS students, families, teachers, etc. This is Mr. Patrick. I hope you're doing well. You're probably sitting at home. Maybe you don't even have a good book to read. Sadly, the library is closed. So are the bookstores. An Amazon delivery could be weeks away. What are you going to do? Well, in addition to checking out a book from our FHPS Overdrive collection, you could visit KDL's website to check out an ebook or an audiobook. But what if I don't have a KDL card, you ask? That's not a problem. KDL is issuing temporary 90-day cards so that people can access all of their great digital materials online. This includes books, graphic novels, music, videos, picture books, read-alongs, magazines. With your temporary KDL card, you can access Overdrive, Cloud Library, Tumblebooks, Pebble Go, and RB Digital, as well as other great resources. You'll literally find something for everyone of every age and every reading level. Accessing the sign-up page on the KDL site is easy enough. I've set up a link from our school library site at media.fhps.net. When you get to media.fhps.net, you'll notice this image rotator in the center of the screen. Every 8 seconds, it flips over to a new image. The second one says, "Get your KDL card online." If you click that, you'll be taken to an article outlining exactly how to get a public library card online. I've included links to both Grand Rapids Public and Kent District Library. That depends on where you live. Most Forest Hills families will be in the service area of the Kent District Library. So you're going to want to click on this line, online registration for library cards, to access online services, and that will take you directly to the site where you're going to register for that KDL card. In future videos, I will show you exactly how to use some of those great resources. Have a great day.